We get a lot of calls. And how do I take care of my distiller? How do I fix something? How do I do this? How do I do that? What we do is this is when you give us a call, ask you to take a picture of the distiller and we'll instruct you as to what to take a picture of and then send it to us. When we take a look at these pictures that you show us, we'll evaluate those pictures and then give you an idea of what it's going to be to change it on out or to replace a part. We can describe to you how to do it, and you may choose to want to do it. You may choose not to want to do it. Maybe you don't want to be the one to fix it because you don't have the time or you just plain don't want to. You can just give us a call. We'll give you ship to directions in reference to us. Once we get that distiller, we'll take a look at it. Now we'll have hands on it and we'll give you a call back. We'll tell you basically what is going on with your distiller and what it's going to take to fix it. So you get an estimate. Normally, we can turn those around depending on when you send it, basically. But most of the time, we can return them and turn them back around to you within 2 weeks. If not, we tell you so you know what to expect. Be confident. We're the #1 repair center for all our manufacturers outside of the manufacturers themselves. And many of our manufacturers will tell people to send them to us first to repair. Give us a call, 612-701-7820, and we'll help you keep them going for a lifetime as well.